Hello, my name is Eric White, and today we're going to talk about how to create an animated avatar. One of the first things you need to find out about your avatar is what's the maximum size allowed for whatever you're using the avatar for. Most people use their avatars on forums, and I've found that 76 pixels by 76 pixels is normally about the max. So we're going to use Adobe Flash Professional. And first thing we need to do is to set our stage size to match the avatar size. So I'm going to come down here, I'm going to click on the size. So now I'm going to change the size to 76 by 76 and then hit OK. Now we got a realistic size for our avatar. So the next thing we need to do, well, we got to make it big enough to see, so we're going to blow it up a little bit. Let's go to 400% on this one. And now we're just going to draw a circle. I'm going to select the fill and then hit delete. And then I'm going to select the line and I'm going to change it to black. Now I'm going to draw two little circles. Now I'm going to move them over here. Now I'm going to draw a line. Okay, now I'm going to select the entire smiley face. I'm going to group it by hitting Control G. I'm going to copy it, and now I'm going to insert a new frame. I'm going to go to this frame. Insert a keyframe. There we go. And I'm going to delete this from the keyframe and then paste. Now I'm going to break this apart. And now I'm going to make it a smiley face. So if I go to the first frame, no smile. Second frame, smile. Now I'm going to export this as a movie. And we're going to export it as an animated GIF file. I'm just going to dump it right on my desktop. I'm going to call it Smiley Avatar. Standard colors, just leave everything the way it is. And now I'm going to go to my desktop and I'm going to find the standard Smiley Avatar. Sorry, you got to open the avatar with Internet Explorer. Let's see, open with Internet Explorer. And there's your animated avatar.